The question is to prove sine to the fourth theta plus 2 cos squared theta minus cos to the fourth theta equals 1. And we're going to begin with a review. And the review that we're going to do is how to factor a difference of squares. So if you recall how to factor a difference of squares looks like this: x squared minus y squared. When you factor this, you put two sets of brackets. You put a plus sign in one bracket, you put a minus sign in the other bracket. You take the square root of x squared, gives you x and an x. You take the square root of y squared, that'll give you a y, and that's it. You are done. We're going to take this and we are going to apply this to x to the fourth minus y to the fourth. Same thing. I'm going to put two sets of brackets. I'm going to put a plus sign. I'm going to put a minus sign. I'm going to take the square root of x to the fourth to be x squared in each bracket. And I'm going to take the square root of y to the fourth and put a y squared in this bracket. But this here, you can factor one more step, and you can have x squared plus y squared. And a second time around, you can use the answer from above, plus and minus, x plus y, x minus y. So now that we know this background information, now we can move on to proving this identity. We're going to start with the left-hand side. Sine to the fourth theta plus 2 cos squared theta minus cos to the fourth theta. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take these two and I'm going to switch them. So when I switch them, I'll end up having sine to the fourth theta minus cos to the fourth theta plus 2 cos squared theta. I now have this, which is in our apply to statement, but I'm not going to use the last statement. This is the one that I'm going to use. And when I factor sine to the fourth theta minus cos to the fourth theta, I will end up having a plus and a minus, a sine squared theta here, a sine squared theta here, a cos squared theta, and a cos squared theta. We can use our trig identity, and we know that this is equal to 1. And we're going to write down sine squared theta minus cos squared theta. I forgot this. I have to make sure that I put this and carry it through. Forgot about that. So now what we can do is we can distribute this 1 or just drop the brackets. And we have sine squared theta minus cos squared theta plus 2 cos squared theta. These two I can combine. Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. Use our trig identity. It's equal to 1, which is equal to the right-hand side. And we are finished.
That was easy.